single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great.
Okay guys, so I'm just gonna make this quick and easy. So we're going to be tinting our eyebrows today. And this is the first time I'll be doing it, so bear with me. I hope it turns out good. But I'll be using this mustache, beard and sideburns hair color, and it's for men obviously. So yeah, and it's in the brown shade, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. So in the kit it comes with 1 tube of colorant, 1 tube of developer, 1 application brush, a pair of gloves and a mixing tray. So we're gonna start, and this is what it comes in, this little plastic tube thing, plastic tray, and here's everything that comes in the kit. So first I am going to brush out my eyebrows. I'm going to brush them out, and then I'm going to apply a bit of oil around my brows so that the color or the dye doesn't dye my skin. I'm just gonna put the oil outlining my brows. I hope this turns out good. I hope. Even though they have the applicator in here, I'm not going to be using this because this is too big. So I did buy a angled brush from the Dollar Tree. This Wet n Wild angled brush from the Dollar Tree as well, and that's it. That's the brush. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna mix the developer and the color in the tray, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I mixed my color and my developer in the tray, and it says to mix equal parts developer and color, so that's what I did. I didn't use the whole tube because I won't need that much, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it with the angled brush, just as how I would do my single strokes if I was filling in my brows. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Okay, so I'm done, and on the package it says to leave it for 5 minutes and then rinse it off until the water runs clear. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave this on for 5 minutes and then I'll be back with the end results. Okay guys, so this is what I have right now. It messed up a bit over on this side, but let me tell you what happened. On the package it said to leave it on for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, nothing happened. 10 minutes, nothing happened. So, and I kept adding more to it, adding it more. So I left it on for 30 minutes, and this is what I have right now. I'm going to wipe it off. I don't want it to get any darker. So I'm going to wipe this off now and then see what we have. Because I don't really think it made a big difference. Well, somewhat. Yeah, it did a little, but it's not that major. Because I can always redo it. But it looks way better than before. I'm going to get some water on my napkin and wipe. And wipe off all the excess. Okay, so that is it. So even if I should do my brows now, I won't really have to fill it in that much. Probably just put a little concealer because it needs, you know, a little cleaning up under here to, you know, probably tweeze out a couple hairs. But I'm gonna do a side by side on the screen now just to see the difference between before and after. So this is how it looks now, and yeah, and the before is beside it. So that's how it looks. I think it turned out pretty okay for my first try. So if you guys are going to try this out, just leave a comment down below. Also, you can tag me on Instagram at BeNaturalJA if you do try this out. And until my next video, bye guys. So I just washed the shampoo out, and I'm gonna follow up with the 3-time moisture cream conditioner. Just gonna wash the shampoo out and move on to the next product.